In today's video, we are going to show you how to become a Pocket FM writer from start to finish, including where to register, how to create your story, what kind of content Pocket FM looks for, how to publish your episodes, and what you need to know about earning as a writer. So if you're a beginner who wants to turn your ideas into an audio series, you are in the right place. Before we create an account, let's quickly understand what being a Pocket FM writer actually means. Pocket FM is an audio storytelling platform where writers can create stories that are eventually turned into audio series. Depending on the current publishing route available to you, you may be able to create your story through the Pocket Studio, Pocket FM's writing and publishing platform. The current Pocket Studio dashboard is designed to help creators go from an initial story idea to writing, reviewing, and eventually publishing an audio series. And you don't necessarily need to be a professional author to get started. If you have a strong idea and you're willing to consistently write and improve your storytelling, you can explore becoming a creator. Now that we are on the Pocket FM Writer application page, you will see a simple two-step process for joining their team of writers, artists, voice actors, and other creative professionals. All you have to do is upload your resume. Okay, make sure your resume highlights anything relevant to writing or storytelling, such as previous writing experience, maybe published work, creative projects, or other skills that could strengthen your application. Please keep in mind before submitting your application, make sure you provide and read each question and provide clear and accurate answers. You may be asked to provide details about your writing experience, creative backgrounds, and other relevant skills. So this is a good opportunity to showcase that you make a strong candidate. Once you've completed all the required information, review your application carefully and submit it, all right? And basically, that's how you can get started as a Pocket FM writer. The process starts with a strong original story idea, then choose your genre, develop your characters, and of course, upload your resume. Pocket FM currently provides dedicated tools for creators, including story ideation, writing, reviewing, and publishing. And if you're serious about becoming a writer, don't focus only on making money. Focus on creating a story that people genuinely want to keep listening to, because ultimately, your biggest advantage isn't the platform, but your creative writing. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.